ASDC, KSA and KNCA organized sit-in demonstration to protest over the adoption of pick-and-choose policy in creating new states. Karbi Anglong District Youth Congress announced its election date during a press conference called on 20 December. Vehicle met a brutal accident at the perimeter of the Puluni Circle Office, 4-lane National Highway on 20 December. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time with Julie BP. Now the news in details. On 20th of December, ASDC, KSA and KNCA organized sit-in demonstration at Deephug Government Boys Age School Playground against the government for adopting pick-and-choose policy in creating new states of India. The most awaited dream of the people of Karbi Anglong is the creation of autonomous state. It's been more than 3 decades that the people of Karbi Anglong placing their demand to the central government for the implementation of their constitutional rights. Several mass agitations were also carried out in connection with the demand. Many had lost their lives while keeping several hundreds injured during violence. But the government of India is still way far behind from the intention of implementing Article 244A of the Constitution, that is, creation of autonomous state. Whereas government had led the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, yet failed to pressurize the state and central government for the creation of autonomous state for Karbi Anglong. It was reported that government of India is eyeing to create a new state for Frontier, Nagaland and Kamantapur through pick-and-choose policy. Therefore, ASDC, KSA and KNCA staged a protest to express their dissatisfaction with regards of the policy adopted by the central government for the creation of new states. Slogans to create new state for Karbi Anglong were chanted during the protest.
India government hin pen sia policy ke deng singilitum chini damlo labang ke Eastern Frontier Nagaland lapen Komotapur lapen kapre ka dimlo hitame hemprek akimi ke seng ponji new state create ji pula bangsola mitame nilitum chini damlo masuk penamasi Karbi Anglong lapen dimahasa orat long standing demand 244 hai Assam phan plak pin pen Assam lui se methang ke chari labang so jakong langke constitution long sil mai ke tok talu
ki pua bangke ye ne tumta early 60s pen labang so state ke ha seta apatai tin kari organize hutta ne to aphan nanglang pon kerang di Karbi Anglong lapen sil sepat
ke ong dung da arjunong le je estan pon de kana mentu silatum hemrek hang bom lo mentu silatum hemrek hang bong je hemtek ko bol bang so government de labang so ke pangdak long mane stati bom lo bol bang itu mangumi tema hadat hemrek hang ko pak la so mo hala estan ngalen frontier la so bong ke sengi pon mo theglong le sta hala dak phan bang ke je son thegdam long je pia government dum si dang tum hemrek hang na ko to la son si a policy ki deng son si theglong.
News X report for Karbi Anglong Live. On 20th of December, Karbi Anglong District Youth Congress called for a press conference at its office premises at Deephug over conduction of Karbi Anglong District Youth Congress election. Sukur Singh Kro, president of Karbi Anglong District Youth Congress, while speaking to us, informed that Prakash Kumar, an observer from Delhi, national capital, is here at Deephug to conduct a free and fair election of Youth Congress.
Youth Congress election ke chapati ji koson si mane anutina bang usame free and fair election ke patulun jima bola pena holo so election no kia so no so kadong we Karbi Anglong orat man Congress claim kaching hon rabda akorting ji ke pachini ban kusipini alang le liben manglo.
Prakash Kumar, in charge and observer of Assam Youth Congress election, while speaking to us, informed that he came to Deephug as an observer of Assam Youth Congress election to ensure free and fair election. The membership launch had started from 16th of December. Filing of nomination papers by the candidate is scheduled from 18th of December to 27th of December 2022. Objection of the nominations from 19th and 20 December Nomination scrutiny would be done on 28th of December and final scrutiny would be done on 29 December 2022. Youth Congress election and membership drive would be carried out at the same period from 4th of January 2023 till 3rd of February 2023. Hence, to aware the candidates as well as the members of the Youth Congress, he is present as an observer. Also informed that the mode of the election would be conducted online through an IYC applications.
उसके बाद मेंबरशिप और इलेक्शन साथ साथ चलेगा जो 4 जनवरी से 3 फरवरी 2023 तक चलेगा। इसी से संबंधित हम सभी जो हमारे युवा हैं उनको मोटिवेट करने के लिए, समझाने के लिए कोई टेक्निकल एरर ना हो जाए। अब क्या है सर, जो भी होगा हमारे मोबाइल ऐप से होगा, विथ IYC ऐप से ही होगा, ऑनलाइन होगा, कोई फिजिकल कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। इसलिए इसी से संबंधित हम कैंडिडेट से मिलने आए थे।
NewsX report for Carbine Long Live. Numerous numbers of accidents and roads mishaps takes place every year when it comes to an end and beginning of a calendar constantly. Hence, it is an utmost necessity to take proper precautions while on road. Fortunately, a medical dispensary, Pulani Hospital, was close to the place where the incident occurred. Therefore, they were instantly rushed to Pulani Hospital for their treatment. It was informed that the incident took place when the vehicle was returning from Dipu after dropping Karbi Anglong artists who attended Golden Jubilee celebration at Kironi, Langmipi. The incident occurred after the driver fell asleep and lost its control over the vehicle, consequently hitting the street light pole and turned the vehicle upside down. The driver was identified as Rajan Ingling. There were 3 co-passengers on board, identified as Bari Terangpi, resident of Kuli Terang village, Dengang, Mirlin Rongparpi, and Kerala Derapi. Both were reportedly to be the residents of Kironi. All the victims of the incident sustained minor injuries. Police from Uttar Borbil outpost reached the spot and took control over the incident. Dirchana Rongpis report from Pulani for Carbine Long Live. Thank you for watching Carbine Long Live. Have a great day.